NFTs in 2025 give you new ways to control digital ownership, identity, and finance. You use tokens to prove ownership of real assets like homes and tickets. You gain access to Web3 tools that let you manage your future with more security and transparency. Every token unlocks exclusive community spaces and digital assets. The global NFT market reached $49 billion in 2025, with 2.4 million users on OpenSea and 38% of transactions coming from gaming NFTs. NFTs now connect your physical and digital worlds, making ownership simpler and more accessible without middlemen. You use NFTs to link physical products to digital assets, known as phygital ownership. This proves digital ownership with an NFT. Brands like Diesel and Nike increasingly utilize NFTs to give customers exclusive, immersive experiences and rewards through unique digital ownership and collectible moments. NFTs allow you to share digital ownership with others through fractional ownership, making high-value assets more accessible and tradable on various online platforms now. You can own a part of a unique ticket, collectible, or real estate property without buying the whole item, allowing fractional ownership and diversified investment opportunities slowly. NFTs change how you manage digital identity in 2025 securely. You use NFTs to prove who you are and control your credentials very securely online with authentication. Soulbound Tokens, SBTs, store personal credentials like diplomas or medical records directly in your wallet, giving you more privacy and control. In healthcare systems, SBTs securely store your personal health records and vaccination certificates, letting you decide exactly who can access and see them instantly always. NFTs provide a secure way to verify your identity for school, work, and online communities with unique and traceable credentials. NFTs give you digital ownership of in-game items, land, and characters, allowing you to trade, sell, or keep them as you wish. Play to earn NFT games let you earn rewards while playing. You own each NFT you win or buy and can sell it for real money. NFTfi platforms let you use NFTs as collateral for loans, access liquidity without selling your digital ownership. Fractionalized NFTs make it possible to own a share of high-value assets like luxurious real estate properties or extremely rare and historic collectibles instantly online today. You can trade your share of a building or artwork on digital platforms, creating a liquid market for previously hard-to-sell assets. Now you know how NFTs shape digital ownership, identity, and finance. Use this knowledge to unlock new opportunities and shape your digital future.